Welcome to IDIS Video Management Solution Jeong. This is Sophie from IDIS MEA sales team. I'm very pleased to talk about how IDIS can expand its solution beyond what we used to have. So I would say this is about something extra as it has got expandability and the scalability in the software side. So I have three solutions to introduce today: IDIS Wall Station and the video export management system and the third-party integration with the access control. So let's dive into IWS first. Have you ever thought about what's the biggest concern of the security operator working in the control room? Yes, it must be a quick check of the overall scene and the immediate action and the response to the suspicious thing. IW has perfect solution for the control side. Basically, IWS supports up to 16 monitors, 64 of the live view, and you can register up to 4,048 of the devices simultaneously. The beauty point of the IW has got is the fact that it's cost effective. Video wall system is expensive originally, and what you need to have for IWS is IDIS Center, which is a free CMS platform of IDIS, and the license of IWS, and this high spec of the wall station server. It has 3 video card slots, but you don't need to have a full-blown spec because it depends on the number of the monitors you want to deploy. For example, if you want to have 4 of the monitors, then you don't need to have a high spec. You can lower the specification with the monitors. So that's why I'm telling it's cost effective and you can accommodate the affordability. Now let's look at the monitor here. We have chosen the wide and curved monitor because the IDIS software supports the separate tab screen. So I have a tab of a device check, and I have a map tab at the same time, and at the center I have a controller monitor. Then one of the biggest and important factor of the video wall station is there shouldn't be a latency, and it should have a seamless of the movement of switching over between the screen. Let's look at this. I have a control monitor and the video wall at the same time, and I'm switching the layout. Look at that, this seamless and very quick movements. And I have a HDMI encoder here. This HDMI encoder just exactly mirrors some other screen from other PC, and it goes onto IWS. What you can do is just mirroring, but also you can control the other platform, other PC in the IWS. If I click the remote control, then you are able to see the cursor. This is actually the third-party system of the biometrics and this platform, which is simply integrated by the HDMI encoder. Now let's move on to the video export system. This is about the systemic export of the video footage without leaking any personal information. We have developed this web-based platform for one of the top 5 domestic banking solutions. This is about tracking and the escalation process of a video export. For example, there is a theft or the unpleasant incident in the bank branch. The branch manager can request a video export to the security operator for submitting, kind of like police or the relevant authority. Then the security operator escalates to the security administrator who are in the highest position. Then if it is approved, then the export can be happen. And this whole lot of the process can be trackable and marked in the web-based system. Also, you can make a report of this tracking history. On top of that, for the anti-forgery, you can put the watermark, and also for the privacy issue, we can set the mosaic on the face on the video clip. Now lastly, let's move on to integration with the third-party system. We have integrated with the Bosch control panel because in the Middle East market, especially for the banking project, Bosch has got the dominant position. It is almost 50% of the market share for the banking. So to getting into the project, we have integrated the Bosch control panel with the ISS platform, removing the complex BIS, which is the building information system of Bosch has got. So the Bosch control panel system event just directly goes into ISS platform. If you have some projects in your country and some access control has got the dominant position, then what IDIS can support is just doing an integration, or if you have a lack of time, then use this HDMI encoder and just simply mirror and control the screen from IDIS software. Thank you.